cheese? So you just take the cheese off?
I ate the cheese already.
So what you do today?
I was waking up, I was playing outside, I was watching mommy photo shoot.
What you was doing outside?
Just playing.
You was out there by yourself?
No way.
And what was all out there with you?
Just my brothers.
Your brothers.
They always don't like going outside. But they have to.
They don't like going outside with you?
They don't.
And then you said mommy had a photo shoot?
Mm-hmm. I was just downstairs and looking at all those kids and those babies.
It was babies? It was a lot?
No, just one.
Oh, just one.
And she couldn't talk.
She couldn't talk. Did she crawl? She was walking?
Uh-huh.
Mm. So what Paris was that? What your sister was that?
Downstairs with me.
Okay. Anything else that you do today?
I did some videos with y'all too. Mm-hmm.
You didn't play with no toys. You didn't watch no TV.
Mm-mm.
You didn't do nothing else?
Nothing else. That's all what I did.
It's hard to believe. You didn't watch no YouTube. You didn't do nothing.
But when everybody wasn't awake, I was just watching that new Tiger.
Danny the Tiger. You know how to sing a song? What's the song? How it go?
Grown-ups come back.
That's just how it goes? That's the whole song, or it's just a part of the song?
That's his song.
Well.
Thanks for watching. Bye.